This laundry is designed for the imminent future, a facility that operates with zero emissions. Every stage of the process is powered by one single circuit of thermal fluid, heated in an electric boiler. The cycle starts in the boiler, where the thermal fluid is brought to its operating temperature. Unlike conventional systems, it works without pressure, making it inherently safer. And because no water treatment is required, there are no problems of oxidation or corrosion. This means less maintenance, higher reliability, and greater efficiency. No smoke, no emissions, no pollutants, just clean energy contributing to the global path of decarbonization. Once heated, the thermal fluid begins its journey through the circuit, delivering energy wherever it is needed. Its first stop is the steam generator, where the fluid's heat is transferred to water, producing clean steam. This steam is sent to the washing tunnel, ensuring constant pressure and stable thermal energy at every stage of the washing cycle. From there, the fluid moves on to the dryers. Through a distributor, it provides accurate and uniform heating. The result is fast, even drying, optimized for energy savings and consistent performance. Next, the fluid reaches the Flatwork ironers. Here, its stable and homogeneous heat makes it possible to dry an iron in a single step, giving the garments a flawless professional finish. After completing its work, the thermal fluid returns to the boiler, where it is reheated to repeat the cycle. This is a closed loop, safe, clean, efficient, and emission-free. Optionally, in some laundries, the thermal fluid also feeds a thermal fluid water heat exchanger. In this unit, the heat is transferred to network water, producing hot water for additional washing machines. This ensures a constant and reliable hot water supply whenever needed, further expanding the system's flexibility. This is the vision of the Zero Emissions Laundry, an installation prepared for today's needs and tomorrow's challenges, achieving 100% efficiency and leading the way toward a sustainable, decarbonized future.